You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word. Sometimes it has an H in the spelling just after the G, and too many people pronounce it as Gillie, or instinctively you want to pronounce it Gillie, but no. If you want to learn more pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced as Gillie. Yes, a hard G pronunciation in English, from Scottish, from Scotland. How to pronounce Gillie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.